Accumulator tank. Came with the boat. This is what it does. Yeah, it's really nice to have. It's not necessary, but it sure makes things a lot easier. Accumulator tank smooths water flow, reduces on-off cycling of the pump by lessening the variation in pressure and flow between the pump and the outlets in the system. The even flow of water gives better control of hot water temperature, especially noticeable in instantaneous gas water heaters and with showers. Reduces noise of the pump, shock pressures, pipe hammer, gang, 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 gang. You've heard that in houses. Yeah, also reduces battery drain, gives longer pump life. There's the basic system there. Accumulator tank goes in line with the cold water side before any of the consumers. And yeah, it's all good. New hoses. They have to be mounted vertically. You can mount them at up to 45 degrees if absolutely necessary, but not a good idea, especially a little one like this. Some boats with larger systems need 2 of these, but yeah, works really well. I had to cut that down a little bit because it's just proud of the settee bottom. Anyway, it's all good now. All stainless, right clamps, hoses, all good.